quickly review the contracts and agreements we covered in this segment. Listing agreements are created between brokers and sellers. The broker promotes the property and attempts to find buyers looking to purchase. Buyer-broker and tenant representation agreements are similar to listing agreements. The difference is the broker is representing and assisting a buyer or a prospective tenant rather than the seller. Purchase agreements are standard contracts between buyers and sellers in order to transfer property from one to the other. Most real estate transactions are carried out through purchase agreements. Land sale contracts are a form of purchase agreement, but are used when a buyer pays for a piece of property through a series of installment payments directly to a seller. Lease agreements grant possession of a property without actually giving a party full ownership. Leases differ from rentals in that they usually have specific terms and aren't automatically renewed when the term expires. There are a few other contracts brokers commonly deal with, such as options, escrow, and rescission agreements. Options are short-term contracts that grant a buyer the right to purchase a property without the obligation to complete the transaction. Under an option, the buyer must decline to purchase before the property can be offered to another buyer. Escrow is a legal arrangement in which a third party temporarily holds money or property until a particular condition has been met. The money deposited in escrow is a form of security deposit which is credited towards the purchase price at closing. A rescission agreement is a statutory and equitable remedy that restores parties to the condition they were in prior to the execution of a contract. While there are other contracts and agreements you'll work with, these are some of the most common.